Okay, welcome back. In this video, we're going to show you how to get into a live lecture using the Google Nexus. It is a bit different than a computer, so bear with us. When you're in your class, don't click on the live lectures button. We have to do something a little bit different. You'll see a URL posted here. This was just posted for you today. The idea is to copy this URL. Now, with most tablets, the only way you can copy and paste is by holding on the text you want to copy, and it'll give you an expanding sort of highlight, and then a copy feature will show up. This is pretty typical to most mobile devices. It can be a little bit buggy. Until they get a little better in their updates, we're going to try to do it with this. So the idea is to basically click or push the text that you intend on copying, and then take your thumb and you're going to want to hold it until that pops up. And you may have to repeat this action a few times with your thumb or with your index finger. And the idea is to try not to move the screen while you're doing it. I'm going to zoom in just a tad bit more. I'm going to click it, and then I'm going to hold it. And this time it worked. So sometimes you have to zoom in a little bit, get it just right on the screen. These two blue tails are going to show up. You want to drag that all the way to the end and hit the copy button at the top. Okay, now, at the bottom, hit the home button. You're back to your desktop. Locate your Adobe Connect icon. It's green. Click that, and you're going to be asked for a URL. Now, this part also, again, a little tricky. Turn it horizontal. Although the screen is not going to rotate, you want to be horizontal. Using your thumb or your finger, click it, and then push and hold until this menu pops up. Paste or input method. Just hit paste and then hit next, and this is going to take you in. So these devices are fairly new, and we're kind of pushing them to the edge of technology, so sometimes we have to have a few workarounds. Now, this is the next step. You're not going to sign in as a member, unfortunately, not yet. These devices cannot handle pushing through your credentials quite yet. You're going to sign in as a guest. Now, it is important you use your full name in order to get credit for attending these live lectures. You don't put in nicknames, don't just put in first names, otherwise we won't know it's you. So for me, I'm Johnny Demo. Okay? And then I'm going to hit enter. And that is it. Depending on your internet speed, it'll load fairly quickly. You'll notice that this is the classroom. Hope this helped. If you have any questions, please email us, tech@acot.edu.